It's Riverway Plumbing and Mechanical, your local plumbing and HVAC professional serving South Central Indiana since 2009. We're super excited to announce that we'll be at the 2026 Bloomington Home Show, sponsored by the Building Association of South Central Indiana, happening February 26th through March 1st at the warehouse located at 1525 South Rogers Street in Bloomington. Come by our booth to meet the Riverway team and spin our wheel of prizes. This year, we're featuring our Trenchless sewer repair technology. No digging up your yard, no mess, just fast, reliable repairs. If you've got old pipes or sewer line worries, you'll want to see this system that will save you a lot of time and money. Of course, we're your one-stop shop for all plumbing and HVAC needs. Whether it's leaky faucets, water heaters, heating, cooling, or emergency service, Riverway's got your back. So mark your calendars, February 26th to March 1st at the warehouse. Bring your questions, spin to win, and let's talk about keeping your home safe, comfortable, and running smoothly. We can't wait to see you at the 2026 Bloomington Home Show.